Hey everyone, I'm Steph. Welcome to the Secret Slob channel and welcome back to the Super Spring Declutter series. I am working my way through my entire house, every little space, every little nook, every cranny, assessing all of my stuff and deciding if it still has value and if it gets to keep living here with me. So today I'm tackling a huge project, probably the biggest one aside from my really big project that I'm working on every weekend, and that is clothing. And I'm not just talking about my clothing, which is kind of out of control. I'm also talking about all my kids' clothing, which is seriously out of control. I also have a giant basket of socks that I have mentally committed to sorting through and decluttering, and I'm not gonna be sad to say goodbye to all those lost, lonely pairs, or I guess they're not pairs if I'm throwing them away. So lots to get through today. If you feel like your closet is completely overwhelming you, or there's just not even room to shove one more sweater in, I highly encourage you to jump in with me, declutter right alongside me. Let's get rid of some of that stuff we're not wearing, that doesn't suit us, that really doesn't serve us, and that we don't love. If that doesn't motivate you enough, I'm also giving away a $100 gift card to a local store in your area to one person that is subscribed to the channel and comments below. So quickly go and get rid of one shirt or one lost sock, say you've done the declutter, leave the comment, and I'm gonna give away a gift card because we want to support local business, right? And I want you guys to get motivated too. Okay. Clothing. I've been both dreading and looking forward to this at the same time, but I think it's gonna be good. I love shopping at the thrift store, so I've got a lot of clothes. Well, I'm keeping this. I love this. So, number one thing done. All right, let's see what I've got. Okay, so here we are. This is my closet. You can see some of these hangers won't even fall because it's so stuffed. I've been keeping my pants up here in a haphazard pile. That's summer clothes. I don't know what's back there. Just random stuff, but yeah, this is tight in here. I have a lot of clothes that are what if clothes, or I could wear those things if I did this thing, or if I weighed this weight. And so today my goal is to get rid of all of those what if clothes. If I'm not wearing them, they're at least going to go in a box to be reassessed in 6 months. And if I can't remember what's in the box in 6 months, I think I can probably just throw it away. All right, I think I'll just pull everything out, put it on the floor, and start going through it. Okay, so my rule is if it hasn't been worn in the last 6 months, because we got a lot of seasons here, so if I haven't worn it in 6 months, it could just be because we haven't had sunshine. If it hasn't worn in the last 6 months, or I didn't wear it last summer, I didn't wear it this winter, we're almost done, it can't stay. This, I think I just wore it the other day. Okay, that stays. Girl Guide, stays. This, oh, this I wore on Valentine's Day, and it was super cute, so I'll keep that. This I've been looking for. This one has a huge stain, and we've had some good memories, this one and I. I think it's gotta go. Ha! Do you remember this from a previous video? I'll see if I can find it. I've decluttered this shirt before and then dug it out of the donation pile, and guess what? I ended up wearing it again. Some things you just can't part with. I pretty much wear everything I pulled out, but I was at the front of the closet, so let's see what happens when I move back a little bit. I'm gonna put this stuff back though. Canadian tuxedo, gotta keep that. Oh, this. Wow. I haven't worn this in a long time. I, in fact, forgot I even had that. But that is such a nice sweater. Oh, I love this, but I never wear it. I never, ever, ever, ever wear it. So, goodbye to you. Look at that. All these empty hangers, making progress. That's what I mean. It's okay. No. I've heard that if you can't say it's a hell yes, it's a no. This one I don't wear. Lots of t-shirts for summer. Ha, okay. Have you ever done this? I bought this for our family Christmas photo shoot. But I can honestly say I will never wear this in real life. It looked really good in the photo. but this is just like never gonna happen. Someone else can use it for their photo. Okay, check it out. I got a good pile of giveaways going. I've got my summer stuff kind of piling up here. Some things you have to keep for camping, like this. This is a costume. I don't need that. Oh, isn't this beautiful? This is a bridesmaid's dress, which is just so lovely. I think I'm gonna keep it, and then my kids can use it to dress up in. My mom kept her bridesmaid's dresses when she was younger, and we always played with them, and it was the most fun. So I'm just gonna keep that for that. This is my favorite dress. Isn't that the coolest? Definitely keeping this. I wear it all the time. Dresses are funny because I kind of want to get rid of them because I don't wear them that often. But like, let's remember, we've been in lockdown for the last 2 years. I haven't gone anywhere really that I could wear a dress. So I need to remember that I still need dresses sometimes. So like, what if I went to a wedding or on a date with my husband? I might want to wear a dress. I bought these like 2 years ago and the tag is still on. Let's face it, they're not getting worn. These are just black pants because sometimes you need black pants. So not a fun keep, but a necessity. These yellow pants are so fun. More fun dresses. What's this? Oh yes, this I wear a lot. Keep that, keep that. So pretty much all of these I wear from time to time. So I'll keep those. And you know what I recently learned? Is that skinny jeans aren't cool anymore. It's all about these wide leg jeans, and you know what? I'm here for it. So skinny jeans, bye-bye. You are not comfortable. Yoga pants, you are comfortable. Dresses for summer, rompers for summer, beach cover-up things for summer, jeans, those I don't like. These I do like. I think it's these ones that are like super uncomfortable. So those can go. These are uncomfortable. They can go. These are like the most comfortable jeans ever. So they can stay. And I'm gonna keep a pair of the dark skinny jeans because, well, they just look nice and they're not very uncomfortable. So there we go. More stuff added to the pile. I really feel like I bit off more than I can chew by saying I'm gonna do my kids stuff today as well, but I'm gonna do it. It has to get done. We have a serious pile happening over here of thrift store stuff, feeling so good. I know that I won't miss a single thing that's in that pile. So I'm gonna hang up the things I found in my drawers that belong in the closet. And then I'm gonna take a quick break while I go through my undergarments drawers, not on video. Okay, so we have our pile here. I did the top of my dresser, found some things that I could get rid of, and now I'm gonna do my kids' room because I just can't face the sock bin yet. So my kids' rooms, which are a total disaster. Okay, so the last thing on my list of kind of clothes that I want to declutter is I have this giant bin of socks back here, and every week I dump it on my bed and I sort out all the pairs and I throw all the ones that don't have pairs back in the bin, and then I dump them on my bed and sort through them. And here's the thing, week to week it's like the same unmatched pairs. So I'm just going to pull the plug on those unmatched pairs. I do have one more load of laundry coming out, so maybe I'll just like spread them out on my bed today. Today is the day. If you don't have a pair by the end of the day, you don't get to live at this house. All right, I'm all done. That was a huge day. I have my socks that could still have pairs waiting there on the bed. I've pulled out a bunch that just can go in the garbage, and I have my huge pile of clothes to take to the thrift store. But all in all, I'd say it was a successful day. So I hope you were able to get something decluttered, maybe a couple shirts or just one drawer. Go through stuff slowly. You'll get there eventually. You don't have to tackle big, huge chunks of it like I'm doing, but I mean, it does help to really get the ball rolling. All right, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment so I know you want to win the $100 gift card, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.